Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to read cell value of Excel. Drag and drop workbook open cell value read in message box action from Excel activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Give the path of the file in workbook path property of workbook open action. Set cell, workbook name and worksheet name property of cell value read action. Set text property of the message box action to point to value property from the cell value read action. Click Run button to execute the workflow. The task is executed successfully. You will get the value of cell in message